Hi, James here. Welcome to my video on the best way to make money fast on YouTube. We're going to talk about the major ways that people are using YouTube to make money online, and it has nothing to do with likes or subscribers. And in a moment, I'll share with you a system that'll help you rank in the top of Google and YouTube in 24 hours. Let's roll. So, here are the top 3 ways to make money on YouTube. 1. Affiliate marketing, because it's available immediately. 2. E-commerce. This includes Amazon FBA or a Shopify store, and both they're great ways to utilize YouTube. 3. Local marketing, promoting local businesses that really stand out in searches. So for today, though, we want to focus on affiliate marketing and the top 5 reasons why you want to pursue this now. Now, in case you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it simply is marketing someone else's product or program where you see a commission every time someone purchases that program. Think of it as referral income, or you are endorsing a product and getting paid. So, 1, you don't need to worry about building products or even supporting them. It's all done for you. 2, you don't need to deal with clients or supporting them. It's totally hands off. 3, there's no cost. Websites can even be built with Groove, and you'll learn also how to get traffic for free and with no product creation costs as well. 4, it's fast. There's nothing to wait for. This is absolutely where you want to begin. 5, we have an unfair strategy for you to make sales with this with using really little effort. So now, more importantly, we're talking about getting the low-hanging fruit. You see, when people are checking out any new product, they're usually on webinars. And on these webinars, they're going to have thousands, in fact, tens of thousands of people that are attending them. Now, many times these attendees are on the verge of purchasing. They've got their credit card in their hand, but they want to confirm that they're not being scammed. They really want to know that there are other people out there that are using the same thing or are purchasing the same thing. And this is called social proof. So they run an online search before they purchase. They want to check out other reviews of the product or other people that have bought it. And in some cases, they're looking for bonuses in addition to the product purchase. The key point of this social proof is that these people are not leads. They're not even potential buyers. They are buyers, people with their credit card in their hand, ready to purchase. And they're just looking to justify their purchase. Now, let me ask you, is there any hotter lead than that? They're searching, which means that anyone ranking for that search will be able to claim that sale and grab that commission. It's like someone walked into a store looking for a specific item. Well, someone who tells them where the item is doesn't get a commission. Someone who walks down the aisle and points at it, they don't get a commission. Someone who tells them how wonderful that product is, they don't get a commission. But when they pull out their phone and search for that information on that item, they come across you, then they buy it through you, and you receive that commission. It is literally the person who closes the deal that gets that commission. Now, you're adding value with your review or your input, and they're looking for that affirmation that they should purchase. So imagine hundreds of potential buyers with their credit cards in hand, ready to purchase, end up listening to you on your YouTube channel or your YouTube video. And thanks to your quick and high-ranking, search with our system, then you're the one who can give them a short review or a testimonial and have them click through your link. That could be worth $400, $600 to you each time. More importantly, you're not having to make that effort over and over again. You're doing it once, and now that works for you. In fact, the more it works for you, the higher rankings you'll receive. So let's recap. With YouTube, you can rank quickly for keywords that people are searching for. So you can, 1, promote affiliate programs with just a little competition and massive traffic. 2, you can get listed on page 1 of Google and YouTube, so yours is the first listing they come across. 3, you can give them the social proof that they need to continue with the decision they were already making. 4, you can ask them simply to click on the button on the page to earn that commission. Now, if you want to know more about how to do this, I have a free 10-part training that you can check out to find out exactly how to do this and more. Simply click on the link in this video or in the comments or descriptions below. It'll have a way to put your name, first name, and email in, and you'll get immediate access to day 1 of the training. Now, we hate spam, so we do ask you to confirm your email address so we'll know where to send the training to. And be sure to leave a comment below and like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear some of your thoughts on how you rank on Google and YouTube as well. And also you can see some of the links to our other videos in this series. Cheers.